Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are gonna study the chapter which was how can we see things, which is chapter number 9 in your course book. In previous class we have done half of the chapter, so today we are continuing the same topic. So what you have to do, you have to take out your books and open page number 167. Okay. Can we see through all materials? Look at the photograph below. Which material allows most light to pass through? Which material does not allow light to pass through? Which allows only some of the light to pass through? Okay. The materials which allow most of the light to pass through are transparent. Those which do not allow light to pass through are opaque. Materials which allow only some of the light to pass through are translucent. Okay, beta, you can see in figure 9.14, figure 9.15 and figure 9.16 that they have given three figures to you, and over here they are telling about the materials, that materials can either be transparent, opaque or translucent. Beta, if we are talking about those materials which allow most of the light to pass through them, they are called transparent. And opaque are those materials which do not let the light to pass through them. They are called opaque materials. And translucent materials are those materials, beta, which allow only some of the light to pass through them. For example, in figure 9.14, you can see that the light can be seen from the opposite side of the clear plastic because it allows most of the light to pass through them. Beta, those materials from which we can see from both the sides, they are called transparent. For example, plastic, clear plastic. Okay, if we are having a torch and we are placing in the opposite direction of a clear plastic, so beta, it means that light can pass through clear plastic as well. So it means that clear plastic is a transparent material. And figure 9.15 shows that some of the light can be seen on the opposite paper because it allows some light to pass through them. Beta, there are some materials which allow only few lights to pass through them. They are called translucent material. For example, tracking paper. Okay, tracking paper allows only some of the light, few of the light to pass through them. It means tracking paper is a translucent material. But there are some objects in figure 9.16, there are some objects which do not allow a single light to pass through them. Not a much and not even the small quantity of light. For example, wood. So wood is a opaque object because it does not allow the light to pass through them. Open page number 168. A light sensor can be used to sense the brightness in the surroundings. In the setup below, a light sensor connected to a data logger is used to sense brightness of a light source. The information collected can be displayed on a computer. Look at a pair of spectacles. Which part of the spectacles are made of materials which allow most of the light to pass through? Which material are these parts made of? Okay, beta, there is a light sensor. Okay, what is a light sensor? Light sensor can be used. It is used to sense the brightness in the surrounding. that from where the light is coming. So it is used to sense the brightness of the light from its surroundings. For example, you can see a data logger, okay, in figure 9.17. A light sensor is connected to a data logger, okay. It's a data logger and it is connected with a light sensor. So it is used to sense the brightness of a light source. Light is coming from a torch, so it is used to sense the brightness from a torch, and the information collected can be displayed on a computer. It can be beta, it can show the brightness of a light on our computers as well. Okay, if they are asking of the spectacles, okay, and what do you think, which part of the materials are allow most of the light to pass through them? Obviously beta, spectacles, glasses would allow much of the light to pass through them, okay. Now open page number 170. Shadows. Shine a torch on a wall. Can you see the light on the wall? Now place an object between the torch and the wall. What do you see? The opaque jug does not allow light to pass through it. When light is blocked by the jug, a dark area is formed behind it. This dark area is called a shadow. A shadow is an area of darkness formed when light is completely or partially blocked by an object. Light falling on the puppets used in viewing cleared cannot pass through them except through the holes in the puppets. The puppets block of the light and dark shadows are formed behind them. Okay, beta, if we are talking about opaque objects which do not let the light pass through them. So beta, for example, if I am taking an example of a jug, as you can see in figure 9.19 as well. So what will happen that it won't allow the light pass through it. But beta, when light is blocked, it means when it is blocking the light to pass through it, so what will happen that a dark area is formed of the same as jug, okay, and it will show us on the on our walls as well, on any object as well, and we call it a shadow. What is a shadow beta? Shadow is an area of darkness which is formed when light is completely blocked by an object, as you can see in figure 9.19 as well. Same with the puppets, that puppets are made of opaque objects, so they won't allow the light to pass through it. But when the light is blocked by a puppet, so what will happen? It will show us the shadow of the puppets. Now everyone open page number 171. Look at the shadows formed by two different materials in the photographs below. In what way are they different? One of the shadow above is cast by a piece of tracing paper. The other shadow is cast by a piece of cardboard of the same size. Which shadow is cast by tracing paper? How do you know? The tracing paper allows some light to pass through. The light from the light source is only partially blocked by the tracing paper, and some light can still reach behind it. Therefore, the shadow formed by the tracing paper is not as dark as one of the formed of the cardboard. Beta, here they are saying that there are two kinds of shadows. Either they can be dark as well and light as well. One is showing from the cardboard paper and one is showing from the tracing paper. Beta, tracing paper allows only some of the light to pass through them, and cardboard will not allow the light to pass through them, and so it will show the darker area. It means the dark area will show the shadow of the uh, cardboard paper and the lighter area will show the